Hey, how are you today? Hi, how are you? How are you? How are you today? Tell me what you're doing out there. Hmm? I got to go soon. Yeah. What? What you say? You don't want to go? Oh, I see. I see. So, what you been up to? Huh? Tell me what you been up to. Huh? Going down the street over there. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, look at my flat head. I got flat head. Yeah. I got hit in the head when I was a kid. Yeah. God. Because I ain't so ugly. You think I'm ugly? I don't think I'm ugly. But somebody else think I'm ugly. And then they take a thing and they smash it on my head. And look what happened to me. Look what happened to me. Yes. Okay, well, you know what? I got to go here soon. So, I will catch up with you another day. Okay? Okay, then we'll talk some more. Okay? That's okay. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye.